Let's have another example of a digital multimeter. So this is a digital multimeter. So we have the operation keys. This is where you use to measure the DC and the AC voltage. We have the rotary switch. So the rotary switch is where you switch among the measurement parameters. Some examples of digital multimeter don't have operation keys because it will automatically convert an AC or a DC voltage. And we have terminals where you put your positive and the negative test lead. So we can measure AC voltage. But remember, be very careful on where you connect the terminals because if you switch the terminals, the multimeter tester might break. So you can also measure DC voltage. And also you can check continuity of the circuit. So remember, shut off the supply of power to the circuit being measured before measurement. So it is for your safety. Checking of diodes. Resistance measurement. How do you measure resistance? Measuring temperature. Measuring capacitance. Measuring DC current. Measuring DC current 4 to 20 milliampere. Measuring AC current with a clamp style sensor. So for other related videos, please click the link in the description below.